Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we're going to cover how to set up your minimum nights. Once you've signed into ResNexus, you'll navigate to your settings page, and once you're there, you'll select minimum nights. You'll see that you have the option to create repeating minimum nights, which will happen on the same day until it expires. So you'll put in a name, and you'll enter the date that takes effect and when it ends. And you'll enter the number of minimum nights. You'll then select if the minimum night applies to all items, rooms by classes, or just specific rooms, and then you'll press save. So this repeating minimum will apply to every day of the week during that entire date range. You also have the option to create one-time minimum nights, which are actually a more popular option. You will enter the name, the date that you want it to apply to. Just like before, you'll select if it applies to all items, certain classes, or specific rooms. You'll then scroll down where you can select if you will automatically drop the minimum night a certain number of days before that date. You also have the option to create more minimums like this one. So you can do this for every week, every month, or however often you'd like, and select an end date for it. You can select create, and you'll see that those will each show up individually. This gives you the freedom to be able to remove specific minimum nights if you need to remove one. For example, if it's a holiday weekend, so you have different minimums, you can just uncheck the box and press save to remove that minimum. You have some additional settings in your minimum nights where you can set up the default minimum night stay, rules regarding Friday, Saturday night, rules regarding bookings for a Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. This is also where you will set up if you want to display the average rate in place of the total amount on your booking engine for minimum night stays, and allows you to control if you want to display the items on your booking engine with the highest minimum night first. You also have options for how you want the system to handle vacancy holes. If you check that box, it will enable you to set up how your minimum nights are enforced in the case of vacancy holes. You can enforce it or have it marked as call us on your booking engine. Once you've set it up the way you'd like it to display, again, you'll press save. That will save any of your changes. And that's how you set up minimum nights in ResNexus. Thanks for learning more about ResNexus.